How to like notes in Instagram without sending a message. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to like notes in Instagram without needing to send a message. For you to do this, watch until the end of this video to do this on your own and make sure to avoid mistakes. So let's get into it. First is to open your Instagram account and make sure that your Instagram application is up-to-date version. Then tap on the message icon and look for a note that you want to send a like. After you tap on the note, you will see a like icon on the right side where you usually see the send message button. Just tap on that and you will see on the top part of the note you selected that you have sent a like. And that is how you send a like on Instagram note without ever sending a message. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.